and all the leaders here present, city leaders, activists, and different social organization leaders, artists, singers, everyone. Since we know that the demand for Roman script for komor dopha, it has been more than a decade. It has been more than 50 years that the demand for Roman script has been placed to the government, but till now we know that the government are silent and they were a silent spectator. They never wanted the issues of the indigenous people to be solved. And today, from this very gathering in this sit-in demonstration, I want to pass the message to the government and as well as to all the people, the komor speaking people especially, to choose our script should be decided by the indigenous people, by the komor speaking people, by the komor speaker. What language, what script to choose for us language? It is the matters of us, of our people. It is not the matters of any other community. It is because we know that the language is our pride identity. Since komor language is one of the richest language. We have so much pride and identity in our language. I want to remind my dear fellow peoples, my dear friends, brothers, in the history, looking back, we know that there is a creation of different country based on language movement. That is the example we know in our neighboring country. Bangladesh has not been just created. There is a movement for language, for the identity, for the protection of language of Bengali. That is why just after the independence of India and Pakistan, there was a movement of language, of Bengali language. That is how the Bangladesh has been created. They succeeded in 1971. There was a creation of Bangladesh in 1971. This is all the result of the language movement of the Bengali people for their language. In the same way, from this very gathering, I want to pass the message that we shall overcome. We will win. We'll bring the victory. We'll write in Roman script whatever we want. It is our identity. It's a matter of pride. So, since Jot Asuk Tongai of Nogo, social media Sima Asui Salayo, I Patani script no choose Kayuni Nai. Our Salamusungo script, Jot script Banglang Tung, Devana Green Tung, Roman script Tung, Arkuno foreign humanitarian, foreign Sini Koporan by Jotono foreign indigenous Boron Bagin came. Our Sintama Sinesia, Sinitsa. Judicial Mizoramo, if the Mizo language can be written in Roman script, if the Khasi language can be written in Roman script, why not komor? Why not? Awan Bagino, Sun Sinani case, Sun Si Dainai, Sun Mizisi, Sakna impose kind of things, Masinai. We should implement Sun Liz implement Makane, komor Roman script by Sinani. Anas a cock Sino, and hang Zora Yafanais, Sini Pantomana. Hambai, Belaka Hambai.